These all HTML codes, are there. All the HTML codes are there in your Google Classroom. I have given you these all HTML codes in your Google Classrooms. If you go to the Google Classroom, you will be able to see in all the previous posts, these lessons are there. You will be able to see that the Google Class codes are there. Today I could not record in the beginning because I forgot to click on the record button, but I am now recording. Okay, we have revised the chapter number 3 and 4 today, and I have given you the overview for this post that I have given you in your Google Classroom about is the exam instructions. The exam instructions contains the syllabus which is covered for the first term exam, number one. Number two thing is the date sheet, which is already shared with you. The instructions are there which are already shared with you. And then if you go to the paper pattern, what will be the paper pattern of the first term exam? 25 MCQs will be there, 10 true false will be there, and you have to do 5 short questions out of 7. How you are going to do? We have done this in the practice exams, practice test. I have also given one video over here for you so that you can go through it anytime. One important thing is also there that you need to go through the exam date sheet instructions which are given. Okay, the school dues should be clear. This is the thing that has been announced to you. No one will use any sort of unfair means. Each subject will have 2 sections in the paper, as I have explained you earlier in one of my lessons. The section 1 will contain the MCQs and the true false. Section B will contain the subjective question. Section A will be conducted online, as we had a exam, a sample exam मैंने आपका एक लिया था, एक test लिया था, in which I conducted the MCQs. So it will be online in nature, and you have to submit within the due time. There are 35 MCQs, so you have to submit in the 35 minutes. Okay. But margin time will be given to you for MCQ submission, which will be basically 5 minutes. You will join your Google Classroom 10 minutes earlier so that you should not face any technical issue or any problem at that particular time. You will give your exam using one device, either cell phone or laptop. You going to use one device, and you will use your formal email address having showing your first name and last name properly. Your full name should be exhibited over there, because if any nickname or any parents or sibling name is there, so that student will be removed from the class. The section A paper will be accepted after 5 minutes. Matlab, for example, your paper is going to be started at 1 p.m. So your time will be 1:35 maximum, 5 minutes margin, 1:40. 1:40 say, pehle you have to submit your paper of MCQs. Then come towards the section B. Section B, you are going to write the answers on paper. You will take the images and you will submit those images through the Google Classroom. I have explained the method through both the things, using cell phone or using laptop. And this video is also attached with this post. I have attached the video. The paper of section B will also be uploaded within the respective Google Classroom, and margin time is there 10 minutes after the completion of the paper. You have to submit within the due time, and this is the video that I have shared with you. You can go through it anytime. I have shown you the procedure using the Google Classroom, and even using the cell phone as well. Okay, using cell phone as well, I have explained how you can take images and how you can submit your answer. Fine, this is explained over there in that video. So these all are the things that we have discussed, and we have gone through these all things. Now, if you have got any question, please ask me. Yes, Muhammad Maaz.
Sir, for exam, do we need the classroom app? Is it
Classroom app?
necessary?
Sorry?
Is it necessary to get classroom app for exam?
No, if you are using on your computer Google Classroom, fine. You can do it using your computer, of course. ठीक है ना? But I gave you the example. If someone is there who is doing with the cell phone, so we can, but keep in mind that you have to use the same email ID that is registered in your Google Classroom, and you will give your answer using one device, not with the multiple devices. Otherwise it will not be acceptable. Getting this
Yes,
thing?
so that means in the same email we can't access with two devices.
But you will submit using one device. What is I am saying?
Okay.
ठीक है? You are a student of computer, you should understand. For example, your email is mohammadmaaz@gmail.com. For example, you have
Yes, sir.
logged on with it in your Google Classroom. You have also installed your app. Okay? You have also installed your app, and over here you have logged on with your same email ID. So let's suppose if you are doing MCQs using your desktop computer, fine, and you are doing your short questions on the paper and you are taking images and you are submitting from the cell phone, fine, but same email ID should be there. That is the thing that I want to communicate.
Oh,
Getting?
okay, sir.
Now this thing is clear.
Yes.
Being students of computer science, all these things should be clear to you. Otherwise it will be difficult for you, no? Try to use one device only. If you are using it with the cell phone, so cell phone only. Otherwise, I have explained the procedure. You have to use the desktop PC, does not matter. Acha ji. Now ji, please, any other student, if you have got anything that you want to ask, please. Anything is there that you want to ask? Because our class time is now almost about the over. If you have got anything, please ask me related to exams, related to syllabus, related to topics. Please ask me.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, many teachers made the other Google Classroom for just particularly for exams. So, sir, will you make
No.
just for exam?
That is for those teachers basically who are having class within a one Google Classroom for different subjects. So I have got your class separate, no? From the beginning, it is already separate. It is not merged with any other subject or any other thing. Even sections are different, no? Your section is different, and P3B is different section, and P3C is different section. So we are going to have our exam over here in our classroom. Clear hai? This thing is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your answer is right. Okay, some people are doing, but why they are doing? Because the classes were merged within a Google class, so that's why they have made the separate classes now. But our class is separate from the beginning now. For example, this is P3C class, so this is only for the P3C computer. No other subject, no other class is there in it. Even P3B is not there in it. Okay, P3B is separate, P3C is separate. So that's why we are going to have our class, our Google, our exam here. Okay, in this way, just like I had given you this example, subjective question paper, objective question paper. In this way, we are going to have our class. On the day of exam, you will see the post, you will go there, you will attempt. This thing is now quite clear and simple. Okay? Okay, ji, now this is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other question kindly, because we have got 1 minute left now. 1 or 2 minutes are there, 1 minute are there, 1 minute is there. Please. We may have a class before the paper. As Maz, I think Maz was asking about it, okay, we will have the class or not. We may have a class, but we will announce you, no? We will send you the schedule. Maybe possible ke before one day before that exam, maybe possible ke one day before the exam we are going to have our class. So I will send you the message for a revision class so that you may be aware about it. This thing is clear now. Maz, your query is done now.
Yes, sir.
That was the thing that you were asking. Okay, we will have the class on 20th. But what I am saying, okay, maybe possible okay, before one day before the exam you will have the class. Fine.
But sir, there shouldn't be class because exam is like the other day after that 20th.
But our I am talking about our class now, our subject now. Definitely timing will be different. No? Timing will be different. I am talking about our subject. Okay. Acha ji, thank you so much, all of you. Thanks a lot. Best of luck for your exam.